Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious waffles from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, large eggs, milk, melted butter, baking powder, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Make sure your waffle iron is preheated and ready to go. Having your measuring cups and spoons organized will make the process much smoother and ensure perfect results every time. Now, let's create that perfect batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients, milk, eggs, and melted butter. Gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough waffles, so be gentle. It's time to cook. If your waffle iron isn't non-stick, lightly grease the plates with a little oil or butter. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of batter onto the center of the hot iron, depending on its size. Close the lid and cook until the steam stops, usually for 3 to 5 minutes. Your waffles should be beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Once cooked, serve your waffles immediately with your favorite toppings like syrup, fresh fruit, or whipped cream. If you're making a big batch, you can keep them warm and crisp in an oven set to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. For more kitchen tips and to find great deals, check the description below. And speaking of staying refreshed, you can also find a link there for the Owala water bottle to keep you hydrated all day long.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.